Hello, I'm Teresa.
Teresa, as you know, we will have a June promotion activity in Alibaba. All clients will get a big discount in this month if they place order to us.
Yeah, so I think many audience may be the first time hearing Huayi Lighting. So we are Zhongshan Huayi Lighting Company Limited, shortly called Huayi Lighting. We are lighting manufacturer since 1986 and located in the region town of Zhongshan City in China. So we are a big family with nearly 2,000 employees.
And it's the place we are working in, Huayi Industry Factory Center. And some of our workers, our staffs are working in Huayi Lighting Plaza. This plaza is a commercial complex it contains 20,000 square meters showroom there, and we can offer you comprehensive lighting fixtures, samples for one-stop lighting solution.
Yes, it's one of our properties. What's more, Europe Lighting Center, International Hotel and Stars Annex are our properties as well. So they are all the landmark buildings in Belgium. International
As you can see,
Hotel
we
and
are
Stars
a big scale of us, and our business is covering all countries around the world. We have so many overseas markets in different continents, like our main market is in Europe.
Yes, in our export business, we mainly supply to the both customers who do the wholesale business and to do the project business. And the wholesale shares about 16% of our export business, and the project is sharing about 40%.
Yeah, I think the audience should basically know about our company's background now. And at this moment, we'd like to tell you what we have.
Yes, we have a 2,000 square meters lab in industrial area. There's seen approval by the national standards. Some international test organizations authorize our lab test qualification to get the reports.
Such as TUV, SGS, and Intertech. Those are all international agencies, That means whatever we test in our lab, they accept the test result, the report, and no need to repeat it in our lab. Test it again, no need to.
So different types of tests can be done in our lab according to different standards.
Yeah, sure, in different countries,
So
and
different types of tests can be done in
we have our labs supporting so many products are certified.
Yeah, such as the CE for Europe and ETL for the North American and BIS for the Indian market and ASEAN for the Australia. So many certifications we are able to export to different countries also. So we have various lighting fixtures for the market.
Yes, that's certainly we have different styles of decorative lights which are made of diversity materials. And OEM service are also available, and we have established friendly partnership with so many renowned companies for long-term operation.
Yes, and the architectural lights of indoor and outdoor are absolutely essential. Many projects like the government starry hotels, residential as well as the buildings brightening, we did by using our architectural lighting. Yes. So if you want to know more styles of our products, please contact with our sales.
Well, so we cover mostly all types of outdoor lighting, and also this comes from our experience we made before.
I think our audience may want to know more about our project case. So how can we find this project reference? Our audience may want
this is really a good question. If our audience want to know some cases in some countries, welcome to contact our sales team, and they will promptly provide this information and details and give you a brief introduction about our company.
Yes, through the coronavirus has made it impossible for us to face to face. So maybe we can still communicate through online channel to break down those barriers.
The COVID-19 is not a barrier for our communication. You're right, Teresa.
Yes.
And now, why not get back to the topic today? Let's
Introduce our outdoor lighting to our audience.
Yes, thank you. And now, why not get back to
So okay, talking about outdoor lighting, I must say wall light series will use most. And because for the outdoor wall lighting, sometimes there will be installation limit, such as the house, no need to use the complicated tile. So wall light will be the best choice. Am I right?
Yeah, exactly. The installation way for the wall-mounted light will be much more easier for the users than other lamps. Just fix the screws to the wall. Very easy. Even I can do this first. It's really a good choice for clients to light up the walls for landscaping and
Facade lighting.
Yes. So which product do you want to introduce first?
Okay, let me see. This is our first product, this wall lamp. And this wall lamp family, what we gonna introduce first, it is the voltage is 6 voltage with aluminum here, aluminum black lamp body, and usually installed in garden and country yard.
Garden and country gardens. Villas.
Do you have some question about this?
Yeah, I have so many questions to ask you, Teresa.
So maybe you can ask me one by one.
Okay. Firstly, I'd like to know the power. You said 6 watt, so I guess it's 3 watt.
Because two sides here. So two means this is 3 watt and this side is also 3 watt.
So the lighting direction will be up and down. Right?
Yes, up and down here. So and down. 2 means this is 3 watt.
What about the color temperature? Can we choose any warm white or white?
Yes. This light. Outdoor lighting also same as the decorative lighting, and they have free color temperature, 3000 K for warm light, and 4000 K for the natural light, and this one is 6000 K for the white light. Yes,
understand.
For warm light.
And what about the housing? It's aluminum material, right?
Yes, aluminum is 6000 K and IP grade is reach IP65.
IP65 means we can use it
Waterproof.
It's waterproof. So okay, it's outdoor.
Yes, use
On the wall, the fence of our house, for example. Yeah.
waterproof.
What about the finishing color? Because I
And
see the sample is
the
matte
sample
gray.
here is black color, and you can see this is gray color. So this is matte black. The
So
sample,
if our audience wants to make it in white, it's also available, right?
yes, available.
Okay. And what about the chip? Firstly, the chip.
You can check here is COB chip here,
Ah,
2 COB, and we use free
chip.
yes, free chip.
And it looks modern and contemporary. So
And we use
matching the styles for many houses, right?
the pin angle is 120.
120 degrees, like matching the styles. And what
many
about the size? I'd like to know.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Let's check this size.
Oh,
10.
it's okay. I see. Yes. And what about the size? I'd like to know. 10 means 10 cm. Right?
Yes.
So it's square both 10 by 10 by 10.
Yes.
Okay. So what about the temperature? The working temperature.
Working temperature. Working temperature is
What
about
about
the most high temperature is 45 degree. Yes. The maximum is 20. Temperature is 45.
From minus minus 20 to 45
45 degree.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay. What about the packing? I mean,
the package for this one, because this is very small,
oh yeah.
such as the decorated lighting, also some wall lamps, also we use 10 pieces per carton. Also this one is same, 10 pieces per carton.
So it's good for our wholesaler to ship it to save your
to save
cost.
the seats and the package size is about 57 and 10 to 10. This is the package
For
size.
your reference. And for more details, you can also ask our sales team.
10, yes, 10. And maybe you want to know the lumens of this lamp.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
The common lumens is 80 per watt. So you can check if this one is 6 watt, it means
Totally
6
480.
Yes. So you can check.
But if I want to increase the lumens, I mean to 890 or 700, is that lumens?
Yes, it is possible.
But if I want to customize the lumens, and what certificate do we have for this wall-mounted light?
Yes, we got the CE and LOS certificate. It is no doubt that the quality of this wall lamp is guaranteed. So the IP grade is reached IP65. It still can work on a rainy day. And let's check the video about the perfect waterproof function.
Okay.
And please let's check the
The
video.
video.
And let's check the video about the perfect waterproof function. And please let's check the
The
video.
video.
And let's check the video about the perfect waterproof function. And please let's check the
The
video.
video.
And the aluminum frosted lamp body provides it with a hard shelf in the order to damage it not easily damaged. And what's other advantage does it have in the order
The other advantages of this light. Actually, we have noticed the inside structure. That we have high imported light color. I mean the chip part is LED COB, and it's processed with high brightness and energy saving, and this can help to extend the service life. It's processed with high brightness, much more durable.
Yes, the most important thing is that the decorative function of this wall lamp. Not only it can light up the dark edge and the shadow of the wall, but also print it more vivid. Not only it can light
And
up
also
the
you can
dark
see from the
shadow of the wall. Yes. And how about we go to the next series?
the next three is the bollard. Yeah, actually you see it.
How about we go to the next
You already
series?
see it. The next three
Maybe this
is a bollard. As you can see, this one is the sample we hold now is 600 millimeters high.
Yes, we also have 3 times of this.
Yeah, in different height.
Lights.
Yeah, such as 40, 80.
We also have 60 like this one.
Yeah, that is one. Yeah, yes.
How about the color? Like this one, I checked. This is the gray color.
Yeah, it's not gray. A little bit
How about sand gray?
yeah.
Like this one, I
It's
checked.
also
This
smooth
is
to give you a kind of textured feeling.
And how about the voltage of this lamp?
This voltage is also 6 watts. And if you want any more, we also customize for you. This voltage is also.
And how about the color temperature of this lamp?
And if you want this is also for lighting. I mean the landscaping. So we have both 3000K, warm white.
Warm white color.
Yeah, so 4000K and 5700K. So we have
6,000.
3000K,
Yes.
warm white.
And I think the size we can check here.
Okay, so let me hold it.
And I think the size we can check.
Okay, so let me hold it.
60.
Yeah. Make a note.
And this is
The width is 160 millimeter.
yes.
And the white, make a note.
The white and this
It's
is
around 55.
yes,
Okay. So and you can see the middle part is empathy. It looks like rectangular but a little bit
have
curved. Yeah. So it's a kind of a combination of modern and a little bit classic, I guess.
Yes. And I think and this is one piece for one carton.
Yeah, one piece in each cartoon. The cartoon size will be a little bit bigger than this one.
And I think
Yes, it's-
and how about this light source?
The light source is already fixed inside.
COB or SMD?
COB will be a little bit bigger than this one. And it also has very high lighting coloring rendering index. I mean, CRI is also 80. And what about the frequency? It's also same as the one we talked just now. The wall light is also for our use. So it's for
IP60.
What about and the power is 224.
And the material for this one is aluminum also.
Yeah,
And
die-cast
how about
aluminum.
this one is glass, right?
Yeah, it's tempered glass, and it's clear. And for as a big brand, YE we always use brand chip to make sure the good quality we are providing.
Such as the Cree,
Yeah,
IP Star,
and Bridgelux, Philips, Osram. We always use brand chip.
many
The driver is also placed
such as
inside.
the Cree. Okay, this is the built-in
Yeah,
driver.
you're
How
right.
about the common drivers brands we use?
Philips, Bewell,
Eaglerise,
Eaglerise, yes.
Eaglerise for the CE, for the Europe market.
Yeah.
And how about the US market driver? Newell,
Bewell,
yes,
is
Newell
good.
Eaglerise,
Eaglerise, yes.
Eaglerise for the CE.
And if you have any more details, information, just contact us with
Yes,
the link, the
contact
website.
ourselves online on Alibaba.
Yeah, like for example, if you have any lead time or price or any other issue, just contact us.
So much for it today. So it's time to online already.
Yeah.
But we will come back to you next week. So next time we will still bring something new.
Yeah. So just keep focusing on our channel, and during this period, is wash your hands frequently, exercise more, and go outside less to for the COVID-19.
Keep safe.
Yeah, keep safe.
So it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah. So hoping this disease could be passed on safe.
Bye bye.
Thank you.